Many herbalists feel a deep calling to work with the plants, listening, tending, crafting, and sharing their gifts. But when it comes to turning that passion into a sustainable income, things can feel murky. Herbalism isn't a conventional career path, and most of us weren't handed a roadmap for how to blend heart-centered healing with financial stability. Yet the truth is this: today's world needs herbalists more than ever. People are seeking gentler wellness options, natural remedies, handcrafted products, and teachers who can guide them back to the wisdom they've forgotten. There is endless opportunity for herbalists, not by chasing trends, but by offering grounded, authentic, plant-centered work. Whether you grow herbs, craft remedies, teach others, or simply love sharing plant magic, there are many ways to build a thriving, abundant herbal business. Some are traditional, some are creative, and many are beautifully accessible no matter where you are on your journey. In this video, we'll explore 10 different income streams for herbalists, so you can begin shaping a business that supports both your purpose and your livelihood, rooted in the plants you love. Idea number 1. Selling at farmers and herb markets. This is one of the most accessible and community-centered income streams. You can sell herbal teas and blends, salves, balms and oils, herbal candles and ritual items, or dried herbs and starter plants. Markets build trust, visibility, and loyal local customers. Idea number 2. Having an online herbal shop. An online store allows you to sell beyond your local area, year-round. You can sell herbal remedies, digital products like ebooks and guides, and seasonal bundles and kits. This is perfect for scaling your herbal business without attending more markets. Idea number 3. In-person workshops and classes. You can teach hands-on skills such as herbal medicine making, growing medicinal herbs, seasonal wellness, or women's herbal support. Try to create high-value offerings that deepen connection and credibility. Idea number 4. Online workshops and courses. Bring your teachings online through live Zoom classes, pre-recorded courses, or membership portals. In this way, you can reach a global audience while creating flexible income. Idea number 5. Affiliate marketing. You can earn income by recommending herbal books, gardening tools, dehydrators, grinders, or supplies from trusted herb suppliers. This idea is best for herbalists with blogs, newsletters, or social media presence. Idea number 6. Herbal consultations. Trained herbalists can provide one-on-one sessions, personalized blends, and wellness plans. Idea number 7. Subscription boxes and monthly clubs. You can create recurring income with monthly tea blends, seasonal apothecary kits, or plant-of-the-month clubs. This idea encourages long-term customer relationships. Idea number 8. Selling seedlings and live plants. You can sell medicinal herb starts, tea garden kits, or heirloom and rare varieties. This is especially profitable in spring and early summer. Idea number 9. Digital products and content. You can create these once, sell many times. Ebooks, printable guides, herbal journals, recipe collections. Last but not least, idea number 10. Herbal experiences and events. Offer immersive experiences like herb walks, foraging days, garden tours, and seasonal rituals. This idea is ideal for herbalists who love teaching and storytelling. Sign up for our weekly newsletter at moonatic.fr and visit our herb store at moonaticprovence.com.